So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It's first thing in the morning, and I'm headed over to neighbor Cliff's place here. We just have a few minutes of work left over here for now, and I'm going to grab the excavator, take it back over to the house, and probably clean it up a little bit and grease it before we get into anything else. I didn't tear the lawn up too bad. You can see there's some ruts here. It is still March, but it's definitely, you know, pretty dry for this time of year. But once he pours this patio and everything, all the trucks, everything will be coming in here anyway. And then what I'll do, I'll bring the tiller over, till all this up, rake it, and reseed it. It'll be good. I'll warm this up. Yesterday I had the air conditioner on. Today's going to be the heater.
Make sure you tell Johnny sent you. You have to say that. Johnny sent you.
So yeah, if you didn't see the last two videos, these are all trees in here, and they're going to be building like a sidewalk from over by the pool over this way, a fire ring, and another concrete pad for another shelter. But it looks like our fire kind of it burnt down pretty nice. It really did. We had a big power brush over here. I'm just going to bring the machine over here, pull some of this stuff off of here, stir it up a little bit, and we should be able to get the rest of this here to burn up. Morning, Wonka. How's it going today? All right, I guess you could call that a good 3/4 clean there. I didn't go quite all the way, but I did get all the excess grease wiped off it, sprayed it off with the pressure washer, got most of the mud and dirt off, and cleaned out the cab a little bit. Probably this spring, you know, we get a nice warm day, I'll take a half a day and wash it up real good and probably even wax it. I like to do that at least once a year with it. But if you don't stay on top of it, it gets to be a big mess. So I like to get that extra grease off of it. You know, when you grease all these grease fittings, it oozes out a little bit over time, collects more dirt, and I like just to kind of keep it cleaned up as best I can. So I think right now we're going to head down to the wood yard, and we're going to get all those logs picked up and organized that I brought over from neighbor Cliff's the other day. So as you can tell, we sold a lot of wood since your last look at the wood bunker. Well, plus we filled some more baskets and put some wood in the woodshed. But yeah, inventory is way down here in the woodshed. But we're going to start filling this thing back up again, I think. I think we have close to 3 cords in the woodshed right now, and we've got about 24 baskets filled up, and we just sold 3 dump trailer loads of firewood. But everything I got from neighbor Cliff's the other day was mostly cherry. I think there was 1 oak tree in there, but this is all cherry right here. And what's nice about cherry is this stuff dries pretty quick. So we're gonna get this cut and split in the next day or two, and we'll add that to the wood bunker, and we might as well just keep going. All right, got a little bit of wood split there. That was a mix of cherry, maple, and a little bit of oak. But I kind of feel like I'm starting over here. It was just last week this was filled to the brim, and there's probably about 1/4 of a bin in here right now. Before I wrap this video up, I wanted to show you we got some new stickers. We will put those on the website. If you guys want a couple of those, you can check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Oh, one more thing worth a mention. I did a video the other day where I talked about Kubota's Hometown Proud program. It's a grant program for municipalities and nonprofits. There's a link in the description if you'd want more information on that. But I think they're awarding 5 different organizations $100,000 each. And I think one of those could get up to $200,000. Don't quote me on that. Just check out the link in the description.